This video demonstrates summing the numbers in a string in Python. And it's much more straightforward than in Raptor, but there's still a couple tricky things that you just need to think about. First, since we do want to get a string, we need to use raw input. That is going to tell the computer to store our variable as a string. And once it's a string, it's treated like an array. So we should be able to print num to sum at position 0 and get the first character from our input. And sure enough, we do. Now, we need to test that we can add the first number to the second number. And really, we're going to need a loop at some point to loop through all the numbers and figure out how long the string is and everything. But solving one little thing at a time and making sure it still works is a much easier way to do it. Alright, so you see we try to do the first position plus the second position and we get 12. That's because the plus sign in Python does concatenation when it's working with characters. And it does addition when it's working with numbers. So we just need to force the computer to treat that character as a number. And we can do that with the keyword int. So now you see we're getting the correct result. All right, to illustrate what's going on here, we use raw input, and that means the computer's treating it as a string. So we do get this array type structure, but really each element in that array is a character, which is usually depicted in computer programming with a single quote. So we have to convert that single quote character back to an integer in order to do addition. And that will get you started with summing all the numbers in a string.